The motorbike.
Oh my goodness, guys, it's my birthday, so I have got something on eBay right now, and it's coming in 5 minutes. Ding dong! Oh, it's right here. Here, get it. What is the surprise? Oh my goodness, what's this, boss? It's a motorbike. Wow, look at it. It has wheels, has handles, everything I can use. Now, we're going to go to the restaurant. And we're not going to take the motorbike. Why? Because of those people, they always put ticket on us. Ticket? No. I don't have money, you know. Me neither. Yeah, we don't. Yeah, because I bought this with it. And then every day we can ride it. Yeah. And who will I give it to? I have to give it to Heron and Ayube. What? Are you crazy? You just got that today? Imagine they break it. No, they won't. That's just the silliest idea I ever heard. But if they do, they're gonna be in trouble. Like, you know, last time I got something for him, and then, yeah, you guys, look after this motorbike, please. My new motorbike. Oh my god, it looks so amazing. I can't wait to drive it. No one's driving it! No! And I come back from the restaurant, and you guys are gonna be dead. Look after my motorbike.
Ow! When he flung you didn't mean to fart on my face. But that's interesting. This motorbike. I just want to ride it. That's all. But he said not to. I'm gonna give it a shot. Don't, Harun. It could be dangerous. No, it isn't. It's just a motorbike. You just sit on it and then ride. Have you not watched that trailer of that movie when he was riding that motorbike? Yep, that's what I call motorbike. Anyways, I don't care. I'm gonna ride it.
Oh, you didn't have to make us walk, didn't you? Yes, because that motorbike, Heron and you, they took it. I'm in trouble. You mean if they drove it and broke it? Yes. Oh my god, are we even nearly there? Yeah, a couple more minutes to here. Hurry up! Oh my goodness, look at this restaurant. Wonder who is going to be going to give us food today. Because it's not going to be me. Some people think some restaurants. Oh, thank you for the ketchup. We're going to have spaghetti. And some of this. Boss, do we have to eat that? Yes. And like marmalade. I thought you said spaghetti. Oh.
Are you even sure about this? Yeah, I'm sure. Alright, where's that on button? I guess the engine's starting. This is not that bad. I just have to ride. Yes. I'm so good at this. Okay. Watch this. Woohoo! That's not how to ride a motorbike. Yeah, who cares? I think it's going too fast. What do you mean? I'm going out of control. Can somebody stop this rocking motorbike? Stop it. It's my idea, Ayube. Not anymore. It's not empty. No. Oh dear. This motorbike is breaking. Oh no, the wheel came off. And the mirror too. I'm gonna be so dead. Oh no. maybe I shouldn't ride the motorbike. Oh no! Look! The mirror, the wheel. Oh no! No! I think I broke it. That is definitely broken. Oh dear. The cops will be here soon. Oh dear, we need to find a way to fix this. Okay, I have a plan. Okay, put the leg like this. That still looks a little bit like it was. Nah, and just like this over here. Wait, like, yeah, like that, and then just put this over there. Wait, really, it doesn't really look that fixed. No, just this over there. It does look really fixed, doesn't it? Yeah. I like it. Oh my goodness, we should have done this all ourselves. Does it look fixed? A little bit. Nah, they won't notice. Come on. Let's just, sit down and talk to each other.
Alright then. That is okay. Yeah. I love this food. Yeah. Alright then, restaurant's finished. Let's go home. Yeah, boy. We're gonna ride that motorbike. Stuck you sucker. Way out.
I hope the cops aren't here soon.
Open the door.
Oh no, they're here! Oh no, what are we gonna do? Okay, just open the door and act like nothing happened. Hi, cops.
Yeah, I know. That was the best trip ever. Yeah, and did you see that? Now, let's have a test on my new motorbike. Restaurant. Oh.
Yeah, I know you guys had so much fun. But your motorbike has become, nidified.
What does that mean? Nullified? Nah. Yeah, let's test on this motorbike. So let's just have a. It's broken. What the? It's broken. What? My wheel. My wheel. My mirror. My handle. What? It's broken already? Heron and Ayube.
Maybe you should get another one from eBay instead. Let's have fun with Heron and Ayube.